Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this video we will just simply see how to send a message to a SQS through a Python Boto3 library. So it is just a simple command. So first I'll just explain the setup. So this is the SQS where we will send a message to, and this is a Lambda which I have created, and inside this there is a Python code, the Boto3. We have imported Boto3 library, and it is just two lines of code where we send a message to the SQS. So the first is we are creating a client of SQS client, and we are just calling a send message function. So in this what we are passing? We are passing the queue URL and the actual message we want to send, and delay seconds presently it is 0, so it will say that after how many seconds I need to send to queue once this code executed. So for now, from where we have taken this queue URL means we can go to this SQS, and here we will see there is a URL. So we'll just copy this and use that here, and message body we can send whichever body we want, and delay seconds. Suppose if we send now, after 0 seconds it will send, means it will send immediately. If you want to send a message to SQS after 10 or 30 seconds, we can keep 10 or 30 here. So once we send, it will wait for 30 seconds, then only it will send the message to queue. Then the receiver Lambda SQS config demo, this is also one more Lambda. This is a receiver. Using this Lambda we are sending to message to the queue. Here we will receive the message. So in the configuration we have a trigger SQS config demo. So we will receive. So in this receive code we are printing the event, so we can see the event in the CloudWatch of this Lambda SQS config demo. So if we can go to the log groups and SQS config demo, and we can see the event here. So let's execute this Lambda and check now. Test demo, just write some random string. Then we will just click on send. So we have sent a message, and we are just printing the response of that message. So here we got the status for 200, means the message got sent to the SQS. So the message we sent is this one, test demo, and now we should see that. So the message will go to SQS, then it will be received by this Lambda, and it will be printed here, so we can check the CloudWatch logs. So lastly is 0026. If we refresh, it is 0037. So we can check the event, it got printed. If we check the message body, so we can check the body test demo, the message we have sent. So whenever we send a message to SQS and receive in the Lambda, the format of it, the message will be like this. So it will be records. The first key will be records, and it is an array, and inside that we have a number of messages. So the number of messages is depends on the batch size we will keep here. So if whenever we add a trigger to here, we have an option batch size 1 or how many ever. So always the message will be received in this format when we send to SQS and received in the receiver side. In this array, how many ever messages it will be there. So presently we have sent only one, and it will be only one message. It is test demo and some random string. So I hope you understood. If you have any questions, comment on this video. I will reply. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more videos.